Hi, I'm Wan Hong from Singapore, National University of Singapore. Nice to meet you.
Showers early Friday, but improving to greater than
Through this program, actually, the mixture of different teams from all the 4 different countries enable me to really experience different cultures. I'm learning more about Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia every single hour, every single minute, and not just about the way they work in architecture, but also the way their culture and how their culture affected the way they live and how they see the world.
Sawadee krap, my name is Rita Tong. You can call me Euro, from the representative of Thailand, and I'm from Convenors University.
We have quite very different ways of working, of how we perceiving stuff, how we start off giving concept, how we start planning, and how the program that we're using is quite different. So we're learning how to work as a whole from each social countries, but we have to work together. So that's what I'm learning.
Along the way, I found that this program has gave me a lot more than that. One of the example is we could talk with the other participants from other countries as well, from Malaysia, from Singapore, from Thailand especially. We have a very unique and similar culture, but at the same time we're not that similar. That expectation is what I don't have earlier, but that experience really exceed the expectation that I have.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me.
So the one thing I can say to you, so because we learn so much here, but if we can conclude it into only several points, I think one of the most important, one of the key points that we learn here is how to communicate and how to construct an idea together. So we are from 4 different countries, 4 different heads, 4 different brains. Sometimes our brains are braining, but those kind of moments teach us that communication is really, really important, and only by communications that we can really blend our ideas together to make better solutions, to understand the problems better, and to overall produce good designs and having a really, really good conversation in this course. Just like the name, Life Design Discourse.
Hi, my name is Bernice and I am from Malaysia, and I am from University Malaysia Sarawak.
Hello, my name is Rina from Indonesia, Gajah Mada University. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Alif. I'm from University of Malaysia Sarawak, Unimas.
Hello, my name is Aryan. I'm from Indonesia. Currently, I'm a student from Universitas Islam Indonesia.
Hello, my name is Melinda. I'm from Singapore. I'm from National University of Singapore.
Hello, my name is Dashmio from Thailand. I'm studying to Metro University.
Sawadee krap, my name is Irfan from Thailand. I am an architecture student of Prince of Songkla University.
Hello everyone, I'm Ria Ferdinand from Malaysia, and I'm from Unimas.
Hello, my name is Tifal Nadia Tari. I'm from Indonesia, from Islamic University of Indonesia.
Hi, I'm Isaac from Singapore. I'm from National University of Singapore.
Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Faza and I'm from ITS Surabaya, Indonesia. Oh yeah, I came from Institute Technology 10 November or ITS Surabaya.
Hi, my name is Minu. I'm from Thailand and my university is at Rajamangala University of Canterbury.
I'm Erin from Singapore, from the National University